Welcome to the English online class, my dear students. Now we are going to learn about introduction and syllabus in this video. In the second year intermediate contains 4 parts: prose, poetry, non-detail and grammar. You know very well in the first semester syllabus also like this. Now we are going to discuss prose. Prose have 5 lessons in this syllabus. The first one, of studies, which is written by Francis Bacon, and second one, the secret of work. It's written by Swami Vivekananda, and third one, J.C. Bose. J.C. Bose is written by Aldous Huxley, and fourth one, in the celebration of being alive. It's written by Christian Barnard. And the last one, fifth lesson, learning from the West. It's written by N.R. Narayana Murthy. In this year, one topic from the prose reduced syllabus. What is the reduced syllabus from this year? And the third lesson, J.C. Bose, is the reduced from the syllabus. Now we are going to discuss poetry. There are 5 poems in this syllabus. First poem is on his having arrived at the age of 23. It's written by John Milton. And the second one, the table turn. The table turn is written by William Wordsworth. And third one, third poem is The Builders. The Builders is written by Henry Wordsworth. Henry Wordsworth Longfellow. Fourth poem is Any Woman. Any Woman is written by Catherine Tynan. And fifth one is Challenge to Fate. It's written by Sarojini Naidu. In this poem, what is the reduced syllabus? And first poem is reduced from the syllabus. What is the first poem? On his having at the age of 23. The poem is reduced from this syllabus. So next we are going to learn non-details. In the first year there are 5 non-detailed stories, short stories, but in this year only we have one story in this syllabus. What is the title of the story? The Adventure of Tom Sawyer. It's written by Mark Twain. So now we discuss the grammar syllabus. What is the grammar? There are 10 topics in the second year grammar. First one, conversation practice, and second one, letter writing. Third one, reading comprehension. Fourth one, interpretation of non-verbal information. And fifth one is language of advertisement. And sixth one, vocabulary. And seventh one, describing process. Eighth one, note making. Ninth one, curriculum vitae. And 10th one, completing a form. So totally 10 topics in the second year English grammar. In this 10 topics, there are 4 topics reduced topics. What is the 4 topics? There are first one letter writing, second one reading comprehension, third one vocabulary, fourth one note making. These 4 topics reduced from the second year grammar. Totally 6 topics. First one J.C. Bose from the prose. Second one, what is the second one? On his having arrived at the age of 23 from the poems. And grammar also there are 4 topics. This is the syllabus of intermediate second year. Every student must have an idea about the syllabus. Without ideas we can't understand what I am telling now. First we should learn and keep in your mind what is the syllabus of the intermediate. The syllabus will be completed, and then another videos will be going to discuss first prose lesson of studies. Thank you very much to all.